Welcome to Kids Take Over TV, the show for kids, by kids, where we explore fun things to do together as a family in Mackay.
Today, we are visiting Artspace and the City Centre Mural Walk.
The cool kids are going away,
If you haven't checked out Artspace Mackay yet, make sure to put it on your list. Opened in 2003 and part of the Civic Centre precinct, Artspace, a contemporary building, one building of the year, that same year. Now it hosts a wide range of curated exhibitions, workshops, talks and activities. Whether you come to see a special exhibition, roam the entire gallery or get hands-on in a workshop, this place will fill your mind with creativity. Today, we're starting our day off with one of the creative workshops run by Tracy Letsky, one of the artist educators. How long have you been working as an artist educator here?
I think about 4 years now,
Wow, that's a very long time.
but I've loved every minute of it.
That's awesome. If I'm an inspiring artist, what are some of the steps I should follow?
I think one of the most important things is come along and join Kids Art Club, because we do a lot of things to help people become better artists. Like we spend a lot of time in the gallery looking at art, trying to understand what artists are doing and different techniques. Painting and drawing is art, but it's not the only thing that's art. There's also collage, and there's textiles, and there's printmaking and bookmaking, and we explore a lot of those different things. But I'd say the most important thing in being an artist is having fun and enjoying it.
Definitely. Well, I guess we should get started creating some of our own art.
Let's get on it.
If you enjoy creating and using your imagination, the Kids Art Club held on Saturday is the perfect place to start. For kids under 5, check out the BMA Kidspace with music, dancing, art and engaging craft activities held throughout the year. Proudly supported by BHP Mitsubishi Alliance. BMA Kidspace is one of our region's most popular early learning art programs for toddlers and their families. Thanks for creating with us, Tracy. Do you have a favourite exhibition here?
Oh, well, I'd have to say it's the Libris Awards. All of those beautiful artist books, there's just so many of them.
Thanks, we will definitely go check it out. The Libris Award 2025 brings together leading and emerging artists, bookmakers from across Australia. To talk to us more about the winners and the exhibitions is one of the curators here at Artspace, Dylan Mooney.
Hello, good to be here.
Before we begin, can you tell us what a curator does?
Yes, so a curator is someone who looks after art collections in art galleries and museums, and they're also responsible for creating exhibitions, caring for the collections here in the art galleries, and also acquiring and researching about artists and artworks.
Can we look at some of the collection?
Yes, let's go have a look.
Thanks for taking us around. Where would you recommend we check out next?
I think you'd really enjoy the City Centre Mural Walk.
Great, thanks.
See you.
Bye. The Mural Walk is one of 3 self-guided tours starting here at Artspace Mackay. including a First Nations walk and a public art walk. So grab your sunscreen, good walking shoes, and download the online guide to your phone and you're set to go. Along this tour, we'll see artworks by 16 local artists and 5 visitor artists from across the country with murals, digital artworks, old school paste-ups, miniature sculptures, and AR components. We better get a move on. And keep a lookout as some of the artworks are at different heights, surfaces, and stages along the urban corridor. Follow me! Check out this beautiful bird. And the sun mandala. And take a look at the Be Mindful mural here in 7th Lane. Did you know there used to be bees living in the wall? The hive was saved by canning bee honey and the mural was painted to honour them. All the murals on this trail tell a story. This one is about raising awareness of preserving our oceans. This is a circuit tour, so you'll find yourself back where we started here at Artspace. So why not take some time to check out the shop? And while you're at it, why not take a well-deserved break at the cafe?
The cool kids are going, oh